what's up? Just giving you an update on what's been going on around here lately. The garage sale that we had the other weekend went over well. We made about $400. I sold a lot of ceramic stuff and a lot of other things. It was good. And I've been painting some of my ceramic ware. These are 06 glazes. I've been keeping things pretty colorful, lots of primary colors. Eventually, I'm going to get around to trying these mushroom transfer pictures. So these are all test glazes, basically to see how this glaze is going to behave on this clay. Teacher's palette. I've also been getting into some tie-dye t-shirts, so I thought I would try it out. And here are some of the finished tie-dyed shirts. And I also decided to go into some of these with stencils and fabric paint. I'm using tulip fabric paint. I'm still trying to figure out what is the best process for applying paint onto t-shirts. And rest in peace, legendary record producer of reggae music, Lee Scratch Perry, who passed away on Sunday. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.